Did you see all these down here, Messick? Do you see all these cicadas up here on this pole? The hardest part about eating a cicada is choosing which one to eat, because there's so many options. I think I'm going to choose this one. It looks like it just came out of its shell.
Hold still for a minute. Hold your hand still. You're moving. It's moving. It's kind of blurry, but it's moving.
Can you see me? Free food.
Open wide. Oh gosh, get in there.
I might dump this water if you do that one more time. Yeah, dump it.
They got an interesting
Dad,
taste to them.
I'm gonna dump it. You did it.
It's kind of like a potato chip with a little more protein, a little bit of condiments. I've had worse.
Ew, get it down. Get it down. Has to be down before I shut the video off. Hurry up. Did you dump that water?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
You need to eat it without any water.
You really want to see the inside of my mouth?
I don't know, do I?
He didn't have any
Okay.
water.